Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to extract audio from any video. First of all, we open CapCut. Once it's open, we will upload or import anything in CapCut. Done. Then, drag your video into the timeline. It can take 4 to 5 seconds to adjust in the timeline. Once done, play it.
Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to clone a repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code.
To extract audio from the video, right-click on your video in the timeline. Then click on Extract Audio. After that, the audio from your video will be extracted. Now you can listen. There is no sound in the video. And this is the audio.
This repository in Visual Studio Code.
You can listen to the sound. That was the way to extract audio from any video. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.